Welcome to this morning meditation. When you are first waking up, your brain is still functioning at a similar speed to sleeping. So let's use this opportunity of relaxation as well as heightened mental creativity to visualize an amazing day ahead. Remain in bed if you still are, and again close your eyes. If you can, think back to the dreams you were just having. If you can, recall every detail of your dreams right now. Allow things to rise in your mind from those dreams that could be very important messages for your waking life. So, what were you just dreaming about? Are you able to kind of imagine that you're dreaming again right now? What you are doing right now is actively dreaming, which allows you to take information from the subconscious world and bring it over to your conscious mind. Going from sleep to wake is a very natural process. So just dream and float. Float and dream. Learn things you need to learn. See things you need to see. Good. Now I'm going to count up from 1 to 10, and with each number I say, you are going to allow your dreams to blend with a mental picture of what you want your day ahead to look like. 1. How do you see your day playing out? 2. And what were you just dreaming about? 3. What do you want to make happen today? 4. See your day as productive. 5. Remembering the essence of your dreams. 6. See your day as full of joy. 7. See yourself making meaningful connections. 8. See yourself motivated and accomplishing things. 9. Feel yourself smiling. You sleep to learn, and you learn when you sleep. I want you to take this picture that you have created of this beautiful day in front of you and make it as vivid as possible. Notice some things that you are doing after completing this meditation. See the colors brightly. Hear the sounds that are familiar throughout your day. Visualize yourself interacting with others in positive ways. Witness yourself fully motivated towards your goals. Make this visualization as detailed as you possibly can. Allow the day to fully play out in your mind exactly how you desire it to be. Take a huge breath in of fresh air and let it go. Take another deep breath in and imagine that as you inhale, fresh, exciting energy is coming in. Very good. Now remember again that picture of your day ahead that you created a minute ago. Vividly see yourself motivated and full of energy. See yourself smiling and accomplishing things with ease. People enjoy talking to you, just as you enjoy talking to them. Another nice breath in, drawing this attainable image into your wakeful life as you breathe. Eyes open, fully awake and ready to tackle the day with a smile.